Hi, I'm Bella, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a toilet. There may be many reasons why you want to replace a toilet. It could be because it doesn't flush well, it's broken, it's very uncomfortable to sit on, or it's just really ugly. But today I'm going to show you how to replace it. First thing you need to do is get into the right clothes. Alright, let's get to it. Let's talk about the tools we need. First, we need a 7/16 socket. Next, we need a flathead screwdriver. Next, we need a crescent wrench. Next, we need a putty knife. Next, we need pliers. If the toilet doesn't come with one, you might also need a wax ring. Lastly, you'll need a shop vac and a toilet. First, we need to turn off the water at the valve in the back of the toilet. We're supposed to turn it clockwise, then flush the toilet to get all the water out. We have shut the water off at the valve and flushed the toilet, but as you can see, there's still water in the toilet, so then we take the shop vac and vacuum out all the rest of the water. Alright, we've got all the water out. Now it's time to pull the toilet. Let's start by disconnecting the water line. We've disconnected the supply line, we've disconnected the bolts, and now with a rocking motion, we're going to loosen the toilet to take it off. As you can see, we got rid of the toilet, and we're going to take this putty knife and clean it up for the next toilet and take the wax out. Okay, we got the area cleaned up, and now we have to put the new wax ring on the new toilet. There are two holes on either side of the toilet. You are going to line them with these bolts. Once you line them with these bolts, then you may set the toilet down. broken. Now it is important to have your toilet flat down on the ground. If it isn't, you have to use a rocking motion to flatten it on the ground. Then we will secure the bolts to the bottom. We're going to be using the provided gasket and putting it on the tank while securing the tank to the toilet by aligning these two holes and using the provided hardware. The tank's on, now we're going to tighten the hardware. We tighten the tank, and it's important that it doesn't wobble, but don't over tighten it. Next, we have to hook up the water. Moment of truth, let's turn on the water and see if there's any leaks. Oh gosh! If there is a leak, then you might need to tighten something up. There are many reasons you may want to replace your toilet. Before, you may have thought you couldn't, but after watching my video, now you know you can.